Good morning. 9:04 a.m. on the 6th of April. Fun-filled day yesterday. We had a pretty long one. We went to the game. We saw some cherry blossoms. What else did we do? We went out to eat. It was pretty lit. It was nice. It got pretty nice later on in the day. It was like 50, 60 degrees yesterday, so pretty cool. And now we're getting some breakfast going. About to bust out the steak. I have a little steak and eggs. I'm not sure what's on the plan for today. Mom, how mom is with deciding what she wants to do, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. Also, we gotta wait for the beast to wake up. She's in a slumber. But yeah, as I was saying, it was only like 50, 60 degrees outside yesterday, but we were in the sun for 8 hours, 10 hours, something. So I don't know if you can see, but you can see my sunglasses lying here. My forehead is pretty red. My nose. Yeah, definitely got some sun, which is, that's fine. It's been so cold, not that much summer-ish. Not that much. Spring has sprung, but, it hasn't been much spring so far. So, that's alright. I got a little my breakfast on here. I got some steak. I'm going to cut that up. Hopefully Shelby will eat the other half. It's a pretty big piece. Breakfast of champions. 2 over easy eggs. A little piece of steak there, flank steak. Some potatoes. Refried beans. And some OJ. Yum!
Good morning, Guten Morgen. What's happening? What's up, everybody?
So we're about to leave here real quick. But we saw this dope ass bird outside, and we don't know where it went. So we're leaving the house now. But I set up my iPad, live streaming on YouTube right now. So we're gonna check back every once in a while to see if the bird comes in or not. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how long that stream's gonna stay up. I haven't plugged into the wall, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. So we're here with the $20 Goodwill challenge.
Just made it up right now.
So we just made it up right now. We're gonna see what we can get for $20. Hopefully, we find some fire. So let's see how the $20 challenge went.
It was 15.
Lunch first.
It was $15.86 is the total, and we got 4 shirts.
4 shirts, wow.
And
$15?
yeah. No, it could have been a lot better, but we have $4 and some cents left. And we'll show you the haul when we get back.
Well, just made it home. We were all over the damn place.
Just like your hair.
Thanks to Shelby. Mom's crazy driving. And well, we got the live stream going here. Still going. It's been going live for 211 minutes. And no bird sightage.
You don't know.
Well, I don't know. I checked in as often as I could, every couple minutes or so. I didn't see shit. But look who's home!
Shit, we forgot to go to Home Depot.
Oh shit!
Clothes!
Holy shit, dude!
Damn you kids!
We forgot.
Don't blame us. Don't blame me. It weren't me. So it's been a while here. What did we do? We went to go eat at We went to go eat a gyro. Went to Whole Foods. I don't remember if I said this or not.
To the Goodwill.
Yeah, I did. We did the Goodwill challenge,
Oh.
which we never showed the clothes, but they're right there. We won the challenge. But yeah, we're making a little dinner right now. Making some food, making some pizza.
Here's Shelby. Yours is probably ready.
As you can see here.
Oh shit.
Mom! Get this on camera!
Thumbnail. Wow, look at that. Pizza.
Oh, that looks like a pita to me.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Oh.
Oh, that's up in the mouth!
Mom was supposed to get the buffalo mozzarella, but she forgot. It's alright though.
Step over, I got work to do.
So yeah, that's about it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out the other shit.
I'm gonna put this on.
We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and take it easy.